Do you know how many people have died so far since ages? Do you know how many people are dying on daily basis and how many people are still be gonna be dying and all those people who will make by future? Do you know the amount of people, the amount of population of this world? It's uncountable. Okay, there are no zero that you can add to describe the number of people have come to the earth and died, living or will live. So all those people have a different fingerprint. Can you see? Not even one of us has the same fingerprint like other. Can you imagine who is doing it? How it's so precise. Okay, let's suppose you are a religious guy or let's suppose you are atheist. Okay, I'm not talking about being ethic or being religious. How we are so different. Can you imagine? I really don't know the number, how many people have come on earth by now. How come every single one of us is different than another? Do you know why none of our fingerprint matches? Because we are designed to be different than another. Okay, when God is creating, when creator is creating, whatever you can call it, okay, when creator is creating so uniquely different than another, even same brother coming from same womb, still we are so different. Okay, then why you compare yourself? Why do you compare yourself? Comparing yourself to other is the worst thing you can do. And the reason I can speak to you about this, because I've been doing this. I have been doing this, I can say I must be using past tense because I have been doing this for very long with myself. And the only thing you will get is misery, upsetness, sadness and isolation. You will just feel bad. You know, I often see successful people interview. Okay, what happened? When we get to know, you know, when we see successful people interview, then we get to know that they are as insecure as we are. They are as insecure, as stupid, as fool as we all are. Okay, they are not unique one. Okay, it's just that they are in that position. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan being superstar doesn't make him any different than us. He just as we all are. All I'm trying to say that, as Shah Rukh Khan was saying that, yeah, you know, when he used to be in Delhi with his friend and he was trying to go for you know, movie theater or whatever. Okay, so he was stealing money from his friend pocket. Okay, that's when I got to know that, yeah, you know, all of us, we all are same. Okay, I don't know why we pretend to be superior in front of the world, but it's okay. That's how this world works, but it's okay. But we need to know that we all are insecure. Can you imagine? Even Kylie Jenner. Can you see Kylie Jenner pic before and after? She looked more beautiful before surgery. Okay, you can check in internet. She looked more beautiful before surgery than she look now. But after being that beautiful, when she is insecure about her beauty, and all of you who you think that, yeah, just because you got pimple on your face, you're not beautiful. Can you imagine? When Kylie Jenner, Katrina Kaif, all these girls who we see them as an idol, they are insecure about their beauty. So if we are insecure, I don't think so that, yeah, is something wrong about it, isn't it? We all are as insecure as we all are. Okay, no need to see them as a, you know, like the angel of God. We all are same. All I'm trying to say that let's not compare ourselves to anyone. Okay, you are very unique, I'm very unique. You might be good at something, I might be good at something. You might be bad at what I'm good at. You might be bad at what I'll be good at. So that's how this works. As in one interview, I heard Shah Rukh Khan was saying that, you know, if I was 6 foot tall, I would have done something great. Can you imagine what the great he can do? He has already achieved the greatest thing in his life, isn't it? And he has what all mankind want: money, famous, stardom. Means whatever you can name it, he has it, he can have it. Okay, but still he has insecurity about his height. Those 6 foot tall can't even touch his leg. Those 6 foot tall people can't even touch his leg, and he's insecure about his height, that why he's not 6 foot tall. Okay, so before I was being insecure about my color, I was being insecure about my height. Okay, then I got to know that Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Saif Ali Khan, all these people, okay, those who have made something in their life, okay, they're not tall. All I'm trying to say that we all are lacking something, okay, but we don't have. Trust me, you might be, you know, you might not be tall, but you will have something that tall boy will wish that, yeah, wish I was like you. So trust me, okay, they won't come to you and they won't say to you that, yeah, you are great. You have to encourage yourself, you have to motivate yourself, and you have to pump yourself up always. I'm gonna give you one small example. Like when I was in school, insecure about all those white boys and smart and their money. Okay, their rich parent used to drop them in cars, so I was insecure, and trust me, all of us were insecure about something from someone. Okay, so let's not point a finger on me that yeah, why I was like this. So what I'm saying is, they used to be very great in study. Okay, they used to come first, second, third. Okay, and they used to get good marks, and often I just got pass marks. You know, I can say that I never got failed in exam in my school life, but I didn't even make a great mark in the result. Okay, I just got passed somehow by the grace of God. Those people who were getting good marks in exam, now after completing schooling, okay, they are really fucked up in real life. And I'm seeing them. I'm in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Okay, I worked in so many, and right now I'm Abu Dhabi. All I'm trying to say, I'm in 10 times good situation than they all are. When I see them in Facebook, or when I go my country, India, I'm from India by the way. So when I see them, so I'm thinking, yeah, why I was so insecure? What was the reason behind, what was the meaning behind bringing good marks by do that much effort when those good marks didn't bring good life to you? You know, what you're gonna do by bringing good marks in exam when that's not the guarantee that yeah, you will make good life of your in life, isn't it? Life is all about how happy you are. So school was their timing. They were shining like a star, and I was like, I was hiding myself in shadow. Now I'm shining like a star and they are hiding themselves like a shadow, isn't it? That's what I'm trying to say. Let's not waste our time by comparing ourselves to somebody. Okay, we all are so unique. Okay, we all are so unique. We all are so different than one another. I got nothing to do with you. You got nothing to do with me. Appreciate me how I am, and I shall appreciate you how you are. Okay, no need to be jealous. Just live your life. We got very few here. Just pass it and just get burned and get buried. That's all our destination is, being burned or being buried. Okay, we all are heading toward, by every passing single second, days, we are heading toward our destination, and our destination is being burned. I'm a Hindu, that's what I'm using this word, being burned, or being buried. That's all. Okay, no need to show attitude.